rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Today we have a standard release. I know I like doing limited editions and collaborations and all those pieces, but sometimes I like to give the audience also some standard releases in case they were interested in those pieces. Today we have the GA700SK-1, known as the SK, the Skeleton edition. All right, this one's called the Skeleton edition because it is transparent. Here is a tag for you guys. The GA700SK-1 retails for $120. Module number 5522. All right, let's take a look at this puppy. It is called the Skeleton because it is transparent. There you guys have it. Very cool colorway. I guess I don't know if you want to call it colorway, but nice little design. The actual bezel itself is transparent, and you can see the actual module underneath or through the transparent bezel. All right, it's got cool, nice black buttons. Black light button as well, and the watch has negative display with a positive time so that it makes it legible to read. G-Shock in black, mode, adjust, reset, and start in black as well. All right, this watch is not solar powered. It is not multi-band. This is very standard. It's got home time, timer, world time, alarm, stopwatch, and back to your home time. It does show both the digital time and analog time on the display, and you could switch between your displaying your time and date on the window. At the top left corner, you have an indicator there that shows you what mode you're in. Currently, I'm in home time. Now I'm in timer, world time, and stopwatch. Oops, sorry, now I'm stopwatch. Okay. This watch has in the top right window a little bar that shows you your seconds in second increments. Right, there's 6 bars, 6 columns. Each bar represents 1 second. There's 6 bars, 10 seconds per column. Once they all light up, that reflects 1 minute. And then they'll slowly turn off. Once again, each one turns off for a second, each column for 10 seconds. When they all turn off, it's considered 1 minute. And therefore, that's how you can track your seconds on the watch. Here's the timer. You push this is A button, B button, C button, D button, and here's your light button. All right, push your D button to start the timer. D button again to pause it, and the B button in the top right corner to reset it. Next, we have the world time. You can select using the B or D to change the world time you'd like displayed on the watch. Next, we have alarm. We have 4 alarms, snooze, and signal indicator. While you're in the alarm, push and hold the A button to set the alarm. Here you set it. Once you're done setting, press A again to exit. Press C to go on to the next option. Here's a stopwatch. This watch does track split timing. Press D button to start your stopwatch. Press D button to stop it. And then press B to reset it. For split times, press D to start it. Then you press D to split your times. You'll notice on the left corner of the digital window, you said split. The clock or the stopwatch is running in the background. Gives you a chance to jot down the time of the first before the split. Once you're ready, press B again to go back to show your time. Press D. And there goes your split time for the second runner. Reset by pressing B. And then you're done. Press C to go on to the next window. And now you're back to your home time. That's pretty much it, guys. Not a lot of features, no altimeter, no barometer, no thermometer, none of that stuff on this watch. Just a basic, pretty much standard G-Shock quartz operated watch. The battery life on this watch is estimated between 2 years to about 5 years based on usage. Okay? On the bottom of the display window, you also have your snooze, alarm, and signal indicators when they're triggered or when they're set. Currently, the alarm is turned on, therefore the alarm signal is turned on. Go back to alarm. Turn it off. Notice the alarm indicator signal turns off. Okay, press D. I'm gonna go to the signal, turn that on. It turns on. Now every hour, I believe, at every hour, you'll get a signal, a beep beep on your watch. A beep beep. And there you guys have it. Not a lot to this watch. It is very nice though. Cool, transparent G-Shock watch with the robust design and the well-known G-Shock shock absorbent technology. Very cool watch. Retails for $120. They are selling for a lot less than this. So if this is a model that you've considered, shop around. You could probably get it for a lot less. A lot of stores have sales as well. But yeah, recommended it. I do recommend it if you like it. May not be for you if you have tired eyes. Your negative display may not be an option that you want for you. All right, guys. Till next time, this is Chicago. I'll see you guys very soon. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking